This three-tier HOOBRO printer stand gives compact home offices a dedicated spot for a printer while still fitting comfortably under or beside a desk. The integrated charging station with an alternating current outlet and dual universal serial bus ports makes it easy to keep a printer, laptop, and other small devices powered without extra power strips. Its three open shelves offer enough room for a desktop printer or small copier on top and paper, books, or decor on the lower levels, so everyday items stay visible and within reach. The combination of engineered wood shelves and a sturdy metal frame feels solid, and each tier is rated to handle the weight of typical home office equipment without sagging. Smooth rolling casters let you reposition the stand for cleaning or reconfiguring your workspace, and the two locking wheels keep it steady when you are printing. Assembly is straightforward thanks to the simple twist connection hardware, so even one person can put it together quickly without hunting for extra tools.